Well, hello and a very good morning from a very sunny Brattleboro. It's just after 9 o'clock, Thursday the 13th. And as you can see, I'm by the Harris Hill ski jump, which is up there. I don't know whether you can see it up there. The reason I'm down here, let's cross the road before we get started. So firstly, a very warm welcome to the channel this morning. I've been out of action for a while. We are going to do a little bit of globe trotting this year and purchased a camper, and it's been more involved than I thought, but we're getting there. Let me spin you around, show you where we're going while we talk. Okay, I'm a little bit rusty with the DJI Pocket, which I'm using today. I've bought 2 or 3 cameras with me, but this is the easiest to use. Got things like a wireless mic, and you can do the rotation of the camera and tracking and facial recognition and blah blah blah. So anyway, I'm down here today going to it's behind the retreat, Brattleboro Retreat, which is an establishment for helping the mentally ill, and it's been there a long time. There's been some very famous people stay there, I believe. I don't know much about it, but behind it, which is the reason I'm down here, is the retreat tower. That's just a little map there showing you where to go. We're going to go through here. I've been waiting for the sun to come up. We're forecast a warm day today, mind the stick, Raymond, and we should exceed 23-24 degrees today. So let's find out which one goes to the tower. I think it's this one, Tower Road, up there on the tree. So there. Can't believe I've remembered how to zoom. So let's spin you back round. There we go. And let's head up the trail. They do, it's quite a climb if I remember. I did film this just over a year ago. I remember leaving my breathing apparatus at the bottom of the hill because it's quite a steep climb, so we'll go slow. Not in very good shape. Just coming out of winter hibernation, and so are the bears. We had a bear visit last night at the house, and he decided to undo the wheelie bin, or the trash bin, and he took it up into the woods and made a real mess. Now, do we go left or right? I think we go right. Well, that's got the lungs working. So I'll catch you a bit further up the trail, and we'll see if we can find the tower. Okay, I've managed to sort the zoom out, and you may now be able to see the tower just there. Let's go a bit further. Well, we just we found out some winter damage. Let me spin you around and show you. Look at that big tree down. Actually, there's a few down up the top there, but this one is wedged between those. I suppose I get round to clearing it up at some point, because a lot of people use these trails. They play the frisbee golf in here too. You'll see some yellow cages, which is good fun. So follow me as we go up the trail. Okay, we've got to near the top. I just saw the butterfly. Can you believe it? A couple of weeks ago there was snow. Now there's butterflies. Only in New England. Whoops, mind your feet, Raymond. Let's progress a bit further up the trail. I'll meet you nearer the top. Yet more trees down. There's quite a few there up in the woods, and one in front of me there, two further up the trail. I've brought my drone with me. I'm hoping, I can just see the tower. I don't know whether you guys can see it. Let me zoom in the woods there. Yeah, hold tight while I adjust the settings a minute. Okay, here she is. I've got the sun in my eyes, so let me move over a bit and show you where I'm at. Okay, there's the tower. Sorry about the sun, but as I get closer it'll be better. Built round about 1886 by the patients at the retreat. Like, I suppose the thinking was, in like England in the Victorian times, if somebody was ill mentally, they used to put them in a workhouse, and the doctors always believed that fresh air was the answer. It says 1887. I think they started it in 1886. So there you go. I don't know how high it is, but it was high enough for some of the people that were in the institution who helped build it to throw themselves off. Not a pleasant thought, but that's what they did. It's closed to the public. I'm gonna unpack the drone and see if we can go up to the top. Give me a sec while I get organized.
Oops, I hit a tree, but we're okay. Carry on with the video. Quick look out for the turkey vultures there on the top. I surprised them more than they surprised me. I don't know whether you saw the turkey vultures. They scared me, and I think I scared them. This is the town of Brattleboro, from about 200 feet, and I'll just pan around just a little bit so you can take a look, and then we'll get back to the ground.
Okay, that was quite scary because I don't know whether I caught it on film, but there were some turkey vultures right up in the top, and I don't know who was more surprised, me or them, when they flew out when the drone went up. So we'll see whether it's on the drone video when we edit. Hopefully I saw them on the film. Okay, so let's take this tracking off a little bit. It seems to be on tilt lock. There you go. As I say, I'm still getting used to using this again. I haven't used it for a while. So I'm going to go back down, take some pictures of the ski slope, and hope that was fun and you saw the tower from a view which no one can see around here because it's locked up, and it should come out quite good. I'll meet you back down the hill. I'm going that way, down there, and at least I'll be able to breathe. See you down there. Well, that's all from the Brattleboro retreat, the tower, parked up at the ski jump behind me. Only a short video today, getting back into the swing of things. Hope you enjoyed it. Stay safe, everybody, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye for now.
That's all for now. Thank you. If you enjoyed it, please subscribe to my channel. It's free and it helps it grow. Thank you again.